welcome back to another video of the Many Roads with Travel.
Family edition.
Family edition. There you go. This is going to be a little bit of flea market finds and what we got at Walmart today. Start off with this basic Mattel Bret the Hitman heart. Pick this one up. I'm not sure if I want to hold on to him or let him go. And they made tons of Bret hearts, so I got you don't need the chopstick, bud. Of course he grabs the other one. But yeah, anyway, he may end up at the next show. I thought this was pretty cool. Star Wars vintage Power of the Force Pablo. And the good thing is he has his hood. Which, you know, the crazy thing is, this sells for more than the figure itself. Unfortunately, I don't have the staff or the coin for him, but he is available if you need this guy. And then picked up AEW. I can't remember what they called them, but it's supposed to be like the parody to a Wrestling Buddy, but it's AEW. Darby Allin. And
she had to turn it on earlier.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's right. She turned it off. Darby Allin. They also made Cody Rhodes, Sting, and Kenny Omega. I don't know if they made any more, but yeah. So,
Daddy, grow it. Daddy, don't grow.
I didn't throw. I made them disappear. Abracadabra, they're gone.
No,
It's easier when he's sleeping. I apologize, everybody. Anyway, Darby Allin, Wrestling Buddy, or whatever they're called, from AEW. I got a couple. I don't have Darby Allin yet. Haven't decided if I wanted to keep him or if he's going to be at the next show. So we'll see. It'll be a mystery. Come on out. See what we got. And then this is what got at Walmart.
So really excited about you opening this.
Yeah, Amber wanted to get everybody mystery stuff. There's the mystery. Mystery solved.
Well, I didn't know it showed you on the back.
I'm very grateful for it. Thank you. So we're going to open this up because Johnson wants to open it up and, of course, play with everything.
Of course, a kid wants to play with toys. Look, Jensen, look at dice.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let me open this.
This is how you open it. Wait, you gotta. Okay.
It's like a little Ewok.
I thought it was gonna be like an advent calendar almost, but the way they're doing. Oh, it is. It is a door.
Oh, there's a door.
So that's what it looks like on the inside.
See, it is a mystery thing.
It's a mystery.
Maybe you can get doubles.
Oh,
I doubt it.
Let me open it. Let me open it.
Jensen, stop. That's Daddy's. You open Mommy's.
So you don't, you don't know what's inside.
What's inside?
I don't know. We gotta open it to see what's inside. And it's Wicket. Oh, it's blocked.
Ewok.
Yeah. Little Wicket.
Wicket Ewok. Is it just Wicket? Wicket.
Yeah. You know what they're called?
And then this one is...
Star Wars.
Yeah, Star Wars, yes.
What kind of names on the back?
Yeah.
It just says Ewok.
Ewok. What? Ewok?
That says Wicket Warwick,
Oh.
but it was always Wicket, the Ewok. And that's just Ewok.
Wicket
So,
Ewok. Hey.
Yeah, just that's
Ewok.
Ewok.
If you actually know their
Ewok.
names, let us
Wicket
know.
Ewok.
I don't know. I don't know who he's supposed to be, though.
Right,
Which Ewok?
that's what I'm saying. Like,
You
if they
like
actually know
honey?
the names, comment below.
Yeah.
But, I mean, if you watch the movie of
I do it.
Return of the
What
Jedi,
that?
there's so many Ewoks, but they
that?
never said who was who.
Well, there was an actual
That-
movie called Ewok.
I do
And it
that.
was like on Disney, and it had a little girl that saved them and stuff
Right,
like
but
that.
did they go over, like, every single
I,
Ewok
don't,
film?
I haven't seen that since I was in like middle school, but I love that movie. I'm pretty sure they. I think that's why he had two names, because she called him. I think she called him Warwick or something like that. I
No,
think.
Warwick is a different Ewok.
You know that.
I don't know. It's been a long time, so
Oh,
sorry if I messed it
and
up.
Ewok.
okay, this one is also Ewok.
Ewok. Again.
This is just getting lazy. I'm just going to name them Ewok and Ewok. It's like Ewok number 1
Hey.
and then Ewok number 2. You know, that would have been better. But no, it's just Ewok and Ewok.
I also think these are mainly made for kids, so I think that's why they just are like, it's all the Ewoks.
Run away.
So they're running away?
Yeah.
Okay.
Run away. Run away.
Well, Wicket has his
Run
name,
away.
and then Biker Scout or Scout Trooper.
Could go super.
Oh, I thought he had his gun. No, it's just him pointing.
Or. It's not a corn. Wicket Gacker. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's a rib. Oh, eat it too.
Alright, number 5.
Yeah.
It's the spirit of Yoda.
Yoda. What?
Yoda spirit it is.
What? And I didn't wanna. I used Yoda. What?
This is Princess Leia
Look at me.
in indoor gear from when they were riding on the speeder bikes.
Bike. And it's dangerous.
Yes, it's dangerous.
Yes, that's why you don't drive a speeder bike, because it's very dangerous. That's a her.
I feel the white
Yes, Princess Leia.
Take a white and go to
And
at the
Luke Skywalker
guy.
with the lightsaber, and
White
also in the
gear.
indoor speeder bike outfit.
Mm-hmm.
What a white
And this is,
Whoa.
this will be low gray.
That's the big guy.
There you go. Yeah, so only 2 out of the 4 have names, and then the other 2 don't have names.
One,
You have
two, three,
Wicket.
four, guy,
Wicket, Warwick, which was always Wicket the Ewok. But, then you have Logray, and then Ewok and Ewok. And you got Princess Leia, Luke Skywalker, Yoda, Scout Trooper. And, yeah. I was kind of hoping for a mystery, but no.
Sorry.
It's alright. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video of... That's going to be it for this video of the Many Roads to Travel.
Family edition.
Yes, we'll see you next time.